A large share of card not working issues come from account blocks, merchant declines, or app verification problems, not from the card being physically damaged. By the end, you'll know the exact reasons an Arro card stops working and the steps to fix it so you can get transactions approved again. First thing to check is the account status inside the Arro app. If your account is flagged for verification, pending review, or temporarily restricted, payments can fail even when your card looks fine. Open the app and look for alerts, notifications, or any prompts asking you to confirm identity or update details. Completing those requests usually restores functionality. Next is transaction-level issues. Many declines happen at the merchant side, not the card side. Some stores or online services don't accept certain card types, or they block prepaid and credit builder style cards automatically. If one merchant declines your card, test it somewhere else, or try a small online purchase to confirm whether the issue is universal or store-specific. Another common cause is a locked or frozen card inside the app. Some users accidentally enable a security lock or freeze feature, which instantly blocks all purchases. If that's turned on, simply unfreezing the card restores payments immediately. You also want to check your payment details. Wrong PIN entries, outdated card information saved in apps, or expired card details can all cause silent declines. Re-entering the card information manually in the app or wallet often fixes this. If everything looks correct but the card still fails, the issue may be system-side. Apps like Arro can experience temporary outages or processing delays. In those cases, waiting a short period and trying again usually resolves it without any changes on your end. Finally, if nothing works, the problem may be account-level restrictions tied to risk checks or spending behavior. At that point, the only real fix is contacting Arro support directly through the app and asking for a review of your account status. To summarize, Arro card issues usually come down to account verification, merchant restrictions, or a frozen card setting. Most problems are not permanent and can be fixed inside the app in a few minutes. Your next step is to check your account status, confirm the card isn't frozen, and test it on a different merchant before contacting support. If this helped you figure out the issue faster, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns like this.